How to post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a different option. Click on the plus option given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now before selecting any of the picture, what you have to do is click on this icon given over here at the bottom left of the picture. As Instagram defaults to a square crop for all photos in a carousel, clicking on this icon will adjust all pictures to their original aspect ratio. Now go ahead and click on this icon given over here, square overlapping icon. Now select multiple pictures. Now click on next. You can swipe to each photo in the carousel to apply filters or adjustments individually. From here you are able to adjust the picture, zoom in or zoom out, then click on done. Do the same for all the pictures, and once you are done, click on next. Customize these settings and click on sure. With this, you'll be good to go. So this is how you can easily post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.